How to download and install Amazon Shopping app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To download and install the Amazon Shopping app, firstly open up your Play Store in your device. Now in here at the bottom you will see a search icon, click on it. At the top in the search bar you need to search for Amazon. Click on the app Amazon Shopping. Here you will see the install button, click on it. Firstly, make sure that the device can actually support your Amazon Shopping application and Amazon Shopping is available in your region as well. After that, you can easily install the app in your device. If you face any of the problem regarding it, you need to check out this next step. For this, you can launch your phone settings. Then over here, you need to scroll down until you see the option of System Update. You need to click on the option of System Update. If you find any of the update available for your system, make sure to keep your device up to date so that it can support the latest version of the application. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.